Hello guys, welcome to weekly outlook here on the DXY, the pound USD and gold, and these are all on the daily time frame. Starting off with gold here, we've seen new highs being made here on gold, attaining the heights of $2686. What I'm anticipating going forward is we might still be very bullish, but we might get a pullback, a little bit of like a pullback before the continuation. So if we are going to get a pullback, I'm testing off with Fibonacci retracement tool from this region here, 2531 to the high it made. So we might see price come back to this 50% retracement region here, or the 61.8 retracement region. Okay. And lastly, we might see price come towards the areas of 78.6 regions before continuing to the upside. So taking off this Fibonacci throughout, so we're looking at, let's go to the 4 hours time frame, 4 hours. So we might get some kind of like a pullback to these regions here at market open, but we might just look for price to break through this region this way. Okay, so if price breaks that, then we'll be sure that we might sell off to this region here or this region here before we continue to the upside. Okay, all right. Otherwise, if at market open, if we see price break above these new regions here properly and starts to retest it, then we might continue to the upside. Okay, that's basically what I'll be looking out for here on gold, as simple as it is. I won't take out the possibility of price coming all the way to the regions of 2528 one more time, but I just know that we're looking at a possible retracement. Okay, so let's see if price breaks through 2650, and then we can sell down to these regions of 2623 or 2600, and yeah, basically that's it. Heading off to let's go to pound USD. So pound USD is similar. We're looking like price is rejecting these regions of 1.3426 or 25 regions. It rejected it 3 times now, more like a triple top. So what I'm looking out for is a possibility that price wants to pull back to these areas of 1.3276 or even possibly 1.3220 before a continuation to the upside. Using our Fibonacci retracement tool from this region here, from these regions here to this part here, we might see that this region is heavily attracted. Okay, and if we use these regions as the starting point, we might still see that this region is heavily attracted. So possibly a pullback to this region before a continuation, or a pullback to this region, so 1.3225 before a continuation. And if I slide down a little bit to the 1 hour time frame, then I can use here as a strong support, looking for opportunities. If price breaks this region here, coming back on the 4 hours time frame, if price breaks this region, then I can possibly look out for opportunities to sell down to this region before a continuation, or we could possibly see price come all the way to this region before a continuation. Likewise, I also look out for opportunity that if price decides to come back and break this resistance of 1.3424, then we might just get a break, retest, and a continuation. That's that for pound USD. And lastly, the DXY. DXY here, which has been creating some bearish momentum here. We've seen price trying to break this region for a while. It closed below 100.50 this week. So what I'm looking out for, if we put this on the daily time frame here, is for price to continue to the downside. I would like to see price come all the way to these regions of 99, or let's just say 100 on the dot. So that being said, a possibility of price continuing to this region, or if price is deciding to reject this region, I'm not sure. Let's go to the 4 hours time frame and see some structures. This is just the closest resistance we're seeing here on the DXY. So if price breaks here, that means we might be selling a little longer. Okay, but as it is possible that we just get that sell price from 100.42 downwards. Regardless, I'm using this as a confluence. So it start going up right here, using these regions as a resistance, as a support, then we might see a pullback on pound USD to the downside. But well, if we continue to the downside here, then we'll see a continuation to the bullish side on the pound USD. That's that for that. I'll see you guys for weekly recap during the weekends. Make sure you back some people this week, and see you guys. Ciao.